Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock VIVO V60 Lite without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Second thing is that basically we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and it will cause that all of our data will be deleted from our device. So for example, if you don't have a backup, I'm sure you will lose everything. And the last thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone might want you to verify yourself, or by typing your lock screen. Of course, we cannot remember it, but there should be a second option, and it would be logging into the Google account on which we're logged in on our Vivo before the reset. If you don't also remember your Google account, you can try to perform a bypass. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there are videos how to perform that Google verification. But I hope that at least you remember your Google account. Okay, now I'll show you that my device is locked. I cannot remember my lock screen, and now what to do. Now, power off your device, click power button and volume up button and select power off, just like that. Okay, now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time for a few seconds, basically until we see it on the screen. So keep holding both buttons. Okay, and now using volume keys, select recovery mode and confirm by clicking power button. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now select clear data, clear all data. That's the last moment to stop, because if you click on OK, you might not see it because it's really bright. It's the last moment to stop, because if you click on OK, the process of deleting your data will begin. Okay, so click the button, the process has started, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now click on return, go back and select restart. Click on OK, and now simply wait until your phone turns on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.